Good afternoon, everyone. We are showing an exhibition on chemistry. My classmate and I am participating in it, and we are doing some basic chemistry exhibition, chemistry experiment, and we'll show it in front of everyone.
We will show you some basic tricks like fun. It will be fun and it will be just curiosity to pick a student of every student. And I hope everyone would like our experiment and pick their curiosity. And I think studies is not all about just studying good and rapidly, but I think we should study with a fun way, and pick our curiosity in every way. Thank you.
Very good afternoon to all of you. We are Mehek and Rimsha. A group of class 6. Our project is Evolution of Gas. Is guided by Anjan sir. In this container, sodium carbonate is taken and small amount of acid is approved through this funnel. When sulfuric acid cover this container city with sodium carbonate, it passing through produce CO2 gas, which is kept in a small container followed by this balloon.
Good afternoon to everyone. We have been provide our project to the thermal power plant under the guidance of our Anjan sir. The thermal power plant diffused to all the electric current. The crafted collaborated by Aryan Chaudhary, Zulaikha Khatun and Saida Ummehani and myself Muskan Gaji.
This project demonstrates basically about the working principle of the thermal power plant by using simple materials such as plastic bottles, stone chips, GI wire, gear motors, and LED lights. As boiler heats the medium to simulate steam production, the steam's kinetic energy is then rotates the turbine. The turbine's mechanical energy is then converted into electrical energy by the generator. The LED lights glow up, demonstrating the produced energy.
My name is Armin Nishat. I am from class 6. My topic is eclipses. Eclipses are a formation of shadow in nature. There are two kinds of eclipse. Number 1, solar eclipse, the eclipse of sun, and number 2, the lunar eclipse, the eclipses of moon. Let's talk about lunar eclipse. On a certain full moon night, when the earth comes between the moon and sun, the lunar eclipse occurs. The earth casts its shadow on moon. A total lunar eclipse can last from a few hours, with the moons of umbra for about 30 minutes to over an hour. Lunar eclipse do not happen every month, because the moon's path around the earth is tilted compared to earth's path around the sun. Now let's talk about solar eclipse. On a certain new moon day, when the moon comes between the earth and the sun, the solar eclipse occurs. The moon casts its shadow on earth. A total solar eclipse can last up to 10 seconds to 7.5 minutes.
Vazi from class 6. This is our project water purification. We did it from some natural things like stones, pebbles, sand and cotton. You can see the water is going through the stones and it is purifying through the pipe and it is purifying slowly. You can see this clear water is ready.
Very good. My name is Adnan Mullah from class 6. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our physics exhibition. Today we are exploring a solar system, a fascinating element of the sun, 8 planets, moons, and other celestial bodies held together by gravity. The sun, our energy source, sits at the center with rocky planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars closer to it, while gas giants like Jupiter, Saturn, and ice giants like Uranus and Neptune orbit farther away. Physics explains how these objects move, from Kepler's law of planetary motion to Newton's law of gravitation, creating a perfect cosmic balance. We hope you discover the wonders of our solar system through this exhibition by our respected physics teacher Kamal sir and our teammates like Mahesh Shaharia, Sujan Ashkar and I. Thank you.
আমার নাম মেঘদা রহমান মোল্লা, আমার পার্টনারের নাম জিয়ারুল মোল্লা। Imran Torobdar. And we have presented a airplane model which demonstrates the main principle of aviation and the science behind the flight. And here is the tail which helps in when the plane is on the air, helps in the changing the direction. These are the two propellers of 5 volt, helps in propelling the airplane forward. And this two are the thing in which control sensory motor, which helps in flying off and taking off, landing of the plane. And it is the receiver. It is the receiver which connects the plane with the remote. Thank you.
Shubha Mukherjee from class 6. This is my partner Ishan Taravdar from class 6, Shomohit Pal from class 6 and Fayan Tanvir Boydar from class 6. So the title of my project is Smart Automatic Plant Watering System. So as you can see, there is a battery. We need to charge it by putting the battery like this. The water comes like this and then again drains downwards and then again comes. There is a purification system inside and a motor which pulls the water out of it and then drains again it. So the purpose of our project is to reduce labor, minimize water waste, and automatically water plants when needed.
Hello, my name is Shamriddhi Sharkar and my partner name is Iftika Noor. We are from class 6 of City English School. So here is the tank. I put the water pump beneath. The water pump brings the water to section A plant. Section A plant brings the water to section B plant. Section B plant brings the water to section C plant. Section C plant bring it back to the tank. Let me show you.
A very warm good morning to all of you. My name is Iftika Noor and my partner name is Shamriddhi Sharkar. We both are from class 6 Asters of City English School. So hydroponic is a subset of hydroculture and is a method of growing plant using a mineral nutrient solution in water without soil. Plants may be grow with their roots in the water mineral solution only or in an intermedium such as perlite, vermiculate, cocoa or gravel, etc.
Gundu. I am from class 7.
My name is Mohusri Mondol. I am from class 7.
My name is Tanisha Parvin. I am also from class 7.
This is our physics model Arduino Uno IR parking system.
First of all, we would like to tell why we made this model. So whenever the cars come to the parking slot,
If there is no slots left, they face problem in parking their car. So, and some of them even park their cars between small space.
When the car wanted to move back, they conflict with nearby car and may be damaged.
So we made this project to reduce traffic consumption.
to build our Arduino IR parking system, we used a range of equipments.
This is Arduino Uno. It is the main component used in this project.
This is IR sensor. It is used to detect the number of car ingoing and outgoing.
This is servo motor and LCD display.
These are jumper wires and breadboard. They connect the components together.
So we had to do coding using by connecting with USB cable to Arduino Uno. So let us show you how it works.
If we take a car, the sensor will show red light. Sensor will senses. Again, the car will sensor giving red light.
Hi everyone, this is our presentation and myself Tanushree Mondol and I'm from class 9 and this is my team. She is Nafisa, Maisha and Aliza. And we make this small device which will interpret human responses. Now my friend Nafisa will continue this conversation.
So we have used some simple materials like pulse sensor, mini breadboard, switch and jumper wires, and inside the box we have Arduino Uno and many more. So we have created a device which can detect whether you are lying or not. Now my friend will continue.
This project is not about the device but itself also about the skills we learn: teamwork, problem solving, and applying science and technology in innovative ways. It shows that even simple tools can achieve more results. Now my friend will.
Hope this project inspires curiosity and demonstrates how technology can be applied to understand human behavior better. Thank you for your time and attention.
Good afternoon. My name is Muskan Khanam. I am from class 11 and she is Aisha Shakil. She is also my classmate. We have made an robotic arm by using servo motor, Uno and nylon string. By programming in the laptop, we have connected code and connected with Uno.
This project mainly focuses on robotics. First, we were planning on a bigger project which will mimicry our hand movement using flex sensors, but at the end we failed. So we had to use our brain and make a simple hand robot using servo motors. We have done the coding in laptop, and the power is coming from the laptop itself. It has a wide range of applications in medical technology from automatic machinery. Thank you. I hope this project is to your liking. If you have any question, you may ask.
My name is Alok Kumar Gupta for class 6 Asters. It is the amazing model of our solar system. At its heart is the sun, a giant ball of fire which gives us light and heat. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and we have the gas giants, Jupiter, the largest planet, and Saturn with its stunning rings, and Uranus and Neptune, the farthest planet from the sun. Our solar system is the fascinating place. Let's keep exploring and wonder about it. This is a rechargeable table fan. It is an appliance that can be used without a direct power supply. They contains a battery pack that can be used to store energy when charged. This stored energy is used to run the fan blades and recharge the phone at the time when there is no electricity.
My name is MD Atif Alam. It provides air circulation and cool down the temperature.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kuwa from class 5. It gives me great pleasure to introduce a wonderful math exhibition created by me in collaboration with our math teacher Bishwadip sir. A fully functional model for subtraction and addition. This is my model. Now I'm going to show you how easily student can understand the concept of addition and subtraction with the help of this model. Let's take a problem. Now the problem is 3 plus 2. So first we choose the flashcard of number 3 and put it in this pocket. Next we pick up 2 sticks and put it here. Now we have to add 3 to 2. So we again pick up flashcard of number 2 and put it in this pocket. And we again pick up 2 sticks and put it here.
My name is Shomadip Pal. I am from class 5. It is my pleasure to explain the easy math model that is the types of angles. Here is many angles, like this is an acute angle. The example of acute angle is the pizza slice and the scissors head. Now our next angle is right angle, the table and the clock's arrow. Our next angle is obtuse angle. You can see the clock's arrow. It shows that it is an obtuse angle, and also a hanger. Also a right angle. This is a right angle. The letter V shows us that it is a right angle. And also a full of pizza but without one slice is also an.
Hi, I am Annapurna Shaduka from class 5 and today I am going to explain geometrical city. We need geometrical shapes in our daily life like circle, square, rectangle, triangle, etc. Like this traffic group, it is made up of rectangle shape. It is a shopping mall and it is also made up of rectangle shape. It is the office of the shopping mall. It is square shape. It is Vishwamangala Hotel and it is made up of cylinder and circle shape. It is a police station and it is made up of rectangle shape. It is a temple and it is made up of many shapes like circle, square.